Bismuth mineral. Bismuth ended up being named from the German words weiße Masse, later Wasmuth, meaning mass that is a white allusion to its native color. Bismuth belongs to the arsenic group of minerals that include antimony, arsenic and bismuth. Bismuth is really an element that is native. Native element minerals are elements that occur in nature uncombined with other elements along with a mineral structure that is distinct. An element that is native, a pure chemical substance consisting of a single kind of atom. Bismuth has only bismuth bi atoms instead of a mineral such as quartz who has two kinds of atoms, silicon C and air O, or other more complex minerals that contain various types of atoms. Bismuth is seldom discovered in nature in its elemental form. Nevertheless, laboratory-grown bismuth crystals are plentiful. These crystals, which can be lab-grown, very attractive and intriguing and very collectible, as each one is unique in color and shape. They are pseudocubic, hopper, or hoppered crystals. Hopper crystals are a definite unique curiosity that is crystallographic, that simply the crystal's edges extend outward from the center of the crystal, making faces that step down toward the middle of the crystal. The hopper crystals form due to the disparity of development rates between the crystal edges and the faces that are crystal. The lab-grown crystals are very colorful with an iridescent rainbow that is metallic. Bismuth is unusual in that it is a mineral that is diamagnetic. Bismuth is considered the most element that is naturally diamagnetic, has one of the lowest values of thermal conductivity among metals. Diamagnetism is a type of magnetism where particular minerals are repelled by an externally applied magnetic industry, and from internal induced magnetic industries within the direction opposing to that of the used field that is magnetic. Some minerals, such as xenotime, are paramagnetic in comparison with this behavior. Paramagnetism is really and as a type of magnetism where certain minerals are attracted by an externally applied magnetic field, and form internal, induced magnetic industries in the direction of the used field that is magnetic. Bismuth is present in many localities, but typically is a small mineral that is the accessory. From Altenburg, Schneeberg, and Annaberg, Saxony, Germany. At Jakimov Jochimstal, Czech Republic. From near Villanueva de Córdoba, Córdoba Province, Spain. In the Dalcoth and other mines, Cornwall, England. From Unchia, Chirolc, Yalagua, and Tazna, Potosi, Bolivia, economically important. An 11 kg nugget found at Velázquez, La Paz, Bolivia. In the Mt. Arthur Mine, Queensland, and from Kingsgate, Brand New South Wales, Australia. Large crystals at Natsupitani, Oita Prefecture, Japan. From Cobalt, Ontario, Canada. Bismuth is an uncommon mineral composed of the element of the same name. Its rarity is about the same as silver. It usually forms in ugly masses, though occasionally does form in aesthetic lustrous crystals. Bismuth has a metallic white color with a slight reddish or pinkish hue. This pure color will only be present on an untarnished, i.e. freshly broken, surface, since bismuth tarnishes yellow to dark gray. Most marketed bismuth specimens are laboratory grown, and exhibit a very interesting shape. They have hopper-like growths in pseudocubic crystals, and are usually coated with chemicals to prevent tarnish, thus maintaining the silver-white color. Sometimes the coating gives a colorful effect on the bismuth. These artificial crystals are widely available to collectors, and are sometimes not labeled as being lab-grown. It is safe to assume that any hopper-shaped crystal with a fine luster and no tarnish is laboratory-grown. Bismuth creates a solid and cohesive environment for understanding more advanced principles of magic and understanding one's place in the universe. It is a gemstone that provides focus, clarity, and connection with your spiritual self, allowing for revelations and power. Bismuth promotes positive self-image and will help you to understand yourself and your many, unique layers. It is a great stone to work with if you need to resolve differences between you and those you love, as it promotes happiness, solidarity, and connection with others. Bismuth gives the confidence and endurance to go after greater dreams in your life, inspiring you to aim high. You will find this gemstone provides a unique outlook for life and helps you to stay on task, focused, and decisive when it comes to fulfilling your goals. Bismuth is a lab-grown metal, exhibiting a gorgeous rainbow coloration and unique geometrical growth pattern. While bismuth does occur naturally, cluster formations require nearly 100% pure bismuth, which is almost impossible in nature due to inclusions of other minerals and matrix stone.